May I know your name and where do you stay in Bangalore?
My name is Rajita and I stay in Vijayanagar.
I'm Narendra, obviously staying in Vijayanagar too.
Okay. How old is your child?
My child is 3 years and 3 months old.
Okay. What kind of classes or activities were you looking for your child?
When I was looking for a play school, I was not very keen that he should be knowing his ABCs. Since he was the only child at home, I wanted him more to interact with other children, to know how to be a part of a group, and just know how to mix up with people. So that was what I was basically looking at when I was looking at a play school.
And which other play schools did you consider?
I considered Z Kids and I considered Euro Kids.
We also went to Little Kids as well.
And why did you finally choose Podar Jumbo Kids Vijayanagar?
First thing when I came to Podar Jumbo Kids, I talked to Radhika madam and I found her very, very approachable and I was very comfortable because at that time when I was looking around for a play group, my son was only a little more than 2 years old and I was very concerned because that was the first time I was going to send him out in the open world. He was always sheltered at home and with parents, grandparents. So to send him out and to hand over him to somebody, it was like kind of, I was little apprehensive and I had my own fears. But when I met Radhika madam, all my fears were put to rest. I was so comfortable with her that I finally chose Podar Jumbo Kids. More than any other plays group, I met all the other plays, the heads of other plays groups and all. I didn't find them that approachable. So when I came to Podar Jumbo Kids, I knew that my kid was having a home away from home. So that's why I chose.
Not only that is one key thing. Apart from that, I guess the whole concept of Podar Jumbo Kids is very unique, is what we find. It's not just a school wherein you come and you just teach something or learn something. There are a lot of activities, a lot of things that kid can really improve on. It's not just about learning something, it's about just meeting with people. The whole concept has been new. They showed us how your kid can learn something at the same time, how you can enjoy being out of your home and enjoy being with people at the same time, improve on what he's supposed to improve on. Right? That is something which is different than other play school that we've actually gone and seen.
And as you already had, tell us two best things about Podar Jumbo Kids Vijayanagar.
The two best things I can say is one is the center head, Radhika madam. His class teachers were awesome. They were always approachable. Vijay Lakshmi teacher, Rachita teacher, they were very good and they have so many activities, they really have Father's Day activities, so many, the festivals, they teach the children, each and every festival, the concept behind the festival, all those things which parents know but they don't have actually any time to convey everything to the kids. So all that is taken care of. So these are the two best things according to me about Podar Jumbo Kids. So probably
the same thing, just extending the activities like this water play, mud play with the kids enjoy. We had this sing along with the parents, which is also very good for every parent to come and sing with their kids to see what rhymes they're picking up on. So it was really good.
Okay. And anything that could be better?
One thing probably is the sports bowling meeting, what we are here for. They did it long back, it was very useful, but there was some gap between that and this. Maybe they could increase the frequency of that, what we can say. That's the only thing for them.
Okay. And on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Podar Jumbo Kids Vijayanagar to other parents?
I would recommend 5 because I've got a small baby who is now 5 months old and I'm planning to put her in Podar Jumbo Kids. So for me, it's the best. So I recommend it as 5.
Anyone nearby, I guess you should just close your eyes and put in here 5 out of 5.
Yeah, thank you sir, thank you so much, thank you ma'am.
Thank you.